students, this is Savita Pawar. Today we are going to start with lesson 2, solutions for lesson 2, exercise 2.3. Welcome to my app Get the Map. Okay, let us start with question 1 here. Now in exercise 2.3 you can see that there is a equation, algebraic equation, and in this algebraic equation there is variable, but the variable occurs more than one time. So how to solve this? So this is 3x equal to 2x plus 18. The question is given. So now bring the like terms. X and x, 3x are like terms. So 3x, this 2x will go to the other side of equal to, so it becomes minus 2x since it is plus here, and equal to plus 18 as the remaining. So 3x minus 2x is x, equal to 18 is the answer. Next question is 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. Okay, now here like terms, t like terms are there, and 3 and minus 5 are the other like terms. So 5t minus 3t equal to, since it is minus 5 here, so write minus 5, and minus 3 will go to the other side, it will become plus 3. 5t minus 3t is 2t equal to plus minus minus 5 minus 3 is 2 and the sign of bigger number. So t equal to minus 2 by 2, it gives minus 1. So t equal to minus 1, this is the answer. Then comes the third question. X and x are like terms here, bring them together. So 5x minus 3x equal to, first you have to write 5 here, then 9 comes on this side, so it is minus 9 since it is plus here. So 2x equal to plus minus minus, 9 minus 5 is 4, the sign of bigger number is minus here. So x will be equal to minus 4 by 2. So since 2 is in division form, so multiplication form here, so it will be divided on the other side and you get x equal to minus 2. So this is the value of x in this equation. Here similarly z is there, so 4z minus 2z, 2z is plus here, when it moves to the other side it will becomes plus, then write 6 plus first, and then 3 will go to the other side, it becomes minus 3. 4 minus 2 is 2z equal to 3, so z equal to 3 by 2, that is the answer. Fifth question is 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x. X and x, these are like terms. So 2x, x is here negative, it moves to the other side, becomes positive, write 14, and then minus 1 goes to this side, becomes plus 1. Now this is 2, no number means it is 1 here, 2 plus 1 is 3x equal to 14 plus 1 is 15. So x equal to 15 by 3 is 5 answer. So x equal to 5. Sixth one is, see in this question, 8x plus 4 equal to 3 bracket x minus 1 plus 7. So 3 here is outside the bracket. So multiply 3 with both the terms inside the bracket. 8x plus 4 equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7. Now bring the like terms all together. 8x, 3x on the other side, since it was plus it will become minus. Then these two numbers write first because they are on the other side of the equal to, and 4 is now coming to this side, so it will be minus since it was plus here. Now 8 minus 5 is, 8 minus 3 is 5x equal to, now these are 2 minus means plus, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7, minus 7 plus 7 is 0 here. So x equal to 0 by 5, the answer is what? 0. So x equal to 0 answer. Next question here. X equal to 4 by 5 bracket x plus 10. 4 by 5 is in multiplication form with this. Now what you can do is bring this 5 to the other side. So it will be 5x equal to 4x plus 10. Now multiply this 4 inside the bracket. So this one with the x and with the 10. So it becomes 5x equal to 4x plus 40. Now bring like the terms, 5x minus 4x equal to 40. So x equal to 40. 5 minus 4 is 1. Need not to write 1 here. So x equal to 40, that is the answer. Similarly here now, 2x by 3 and 7x by 15 are the like terms. Bring them together. So 2x upon 3 minus, since it was plus here, and 7x upon 15, and write 3 plus, and then 1 goes to the other side. It becomes minus 1. So now 3 and 15, LCM becomes as 15. Multiply each term with 15. So here you will get into 15. So 3 5s are 5 2s are 10 answer. And since it was 15, 15 get cancels. You get 7x. And 3 minus 1 is 2 here. So 10 minus 7 is 3x upon 15 equal to 2. So it will give value of x will be how much? This 3 by 15 will move to the other side. So 2 into 15 by 3. Since we cannot cancel anything, it becomes 5 2s are 30. Multiply by numerator and denominator as this. Okay, we can cancel here. 3 1s are 3 5s are 3 1s are 3 5s are, and 5 2s are 10 is the answer. So x equal to 10 is the value of the variable in this equation. Next question is y and this y. So it becomes 2y plus y equal to 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Since the denominator is same, no need to take the LCM. And this one, 2 plus 1 is 3y. LCM is 3 only here. So 26 minus 5, that gives 21 by 3. And this 3 will move here on the other side as division. So 21 by 3 into 3. This already one 3 is there, and then this next 3 will come here. So this becomes 3 1s are 3 7s are 21 and 7 by 3. So y equal to 7 by 3, that is the answer. Next here, 3m minus 5m equal to minus 8 by 5. 3 plus 3 minus 5, plus minus becomes minus. So 5 minus 3 is 2 answer. The greater number is having minus sign, so minus 2 and equal to minus 8 by 5. Since on both the sides it is negative, so you can cancel it. Minus minus get cancelled. So it will remain 2m equal to 8 by 5. So you have to find value of m equal to 8 by 5, and these two will get to the denominator as here. 2 1s are 2 4s are, cancel whatever you can. So value is m equal to 4 by 5. This was the value of m. So this was all about exercise. Here we are doing lesson 2, exercise 2.3, solving equation having more than one variable. So this way you can do it. So if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get the Math.